Dash cam installation. Choose the spot on the front windshield and apply the electrostatic sticker. Remove the red protective film from the adhesive on the mount. Attach the dash cam to the selected spot and adjust it to your preferred angle. Remaining part of the wire in the gap between the front windshield and the roof. Hide the cable down the A-pillar. To the front of the passenger seat footpad. Hide it under the footpad. And finally reach the cigarette lighter and plug in the car charger. Connect the dash cam power using the car charger's USB-C port.